If you are looking for an all-natural fertilizer that will enhance your soil and plants, look no further than Bountiful Harvest. As growers, we sometimes neglect the biological element of plant growth. By using Bountiful Harvest, you will be applying a powerful blend of microbially derived prebiotic technology that will increase biological functions within the soil profile as well as on the cell walls of your plants. This will help your plants thrive and respond better to their environments. Bountiful Harvest is 100% safe, easy to use, and very effective. Use Bountiful Harvest for everything you grow, from your lawn, trees, ornamentals, flower gardens, and vegetable gardens. For lawns, apply 1 ounce of Bountiful Harvest per 1,000 square feet, diluted through enough water to get even coverage. Use Bountiful Harvest as a foliar spray by mixing 1 ounce of product in 1 gallon of water and misting evenly onto all surfaces of the leaf and stems of your plants. If you are transplanting, use 1 ounce of Bountiful Harvest with 1 gallon of water and drench each plant with half a cup of the solution. You can also apply the product this way as a drenching solution to mature plants. For the best results, we recommend treating your growing spaces once a month through the entire growing season. Try Bountiful Harvest today and see how AgriGro products can transform the way you grow.